Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Restart the phone and confirm you have a stable network and enough storage. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store, and clear cache and data to remove corrupted caches that cause crashes. Make sure Android and Play Store updates aren't pending, because outdated components often conflict. After clearing data, reopen Play Store to see if it runs. This immediate cleanup removes common runtime errors, so you can proceed to deeper fixes if needed. Next, force stop both Google Play Store and Google Play services, because lingering processes can keep crashing. If problems persist, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to a stable factory version, then update Play services only. Mismatched versions often break compatibility. Check app permissions for storage and network access, and confirm system date and time. Certificate errors from wrong time can block services. If syncing fails, remove your Google account and re-add it to refresh authentication tokens, and to finish, boot into safe mode to determine if a third-party app causes the crash. Uninstall any recently added apps that reproduce the error. If nothing helps, back up photos and data, then perform a factory reset from Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset to restore system integrity. Before resetting, try wiping the cache partition from the device recovery menu. This clears low-level cached system files without erasing personal data and often resolves persistent Google Play crashes without a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.